What is the most efficient way to store a list in the Django models? Currently I have a lot of Python objects in my code similar to the following. Now I want to turn this into a Django model, where self.myname is a string field, and self.myfriends is a list of strings. Since the list is such a common data structure in Python, I sort of expected there to be a Django model field for it. I know I can use a many-tomany or on-a-tomany relationship, but I was hoping to avoid that extra indirection in the code. Edit. I added this related question, which people may find useful.
Would this relationship not be better expressed as a one-to-many foreign key relationship to a friends table? I understand that my friends are just strings, but I would think that a better design would be to create a friend model and have my class contain a foreign key relationship to the resulting table.
Premature optimization is the root of all evil. With that firmly in mind, let's do this. Once your apps hit a certain point, denormalizing data is very common. Done correctly, it can save numerous expensive database lookups at the cost of a little more housekeeping. To return a list of friend names, we'll need to create a custom Django field class that will return a list when accessed. David Kramer posted a guide to creating a separated value field on his blog. Here is the code. The logic of this code deals with serializing and deserializing values from the database to Python and vice versa. Now you can easily import and use our custom field in the model class.
A simple way to store a list in Django is to just convert it into a JSON string, and then save that as text in the model. You can then retrieve the list by converting the JSON string back into a Python list. Here's how. The list would be stored in your Django model like so. In your view/controller code. Storing the list in the database. Retrieving the list from the database. Conceptually, here's what's going on.
If you are using Django is greater than or equal to 1.9 with Postgres, you can make use of array field advantages. A field for storing lists of data. Most field types can be used. You simply pass another field instance as the base_ field. You may also specify a size. Array field can be nested to store multidimensional arrays. It is also possible to nest array fields. As Athane Brimhall mentioned, it is also possible to query elements directly. Documentation reference.